to Yoga with Embodied Harmonics. In our last video, I talked about the process of using finger tapping to help focus the mind in our pranayama, or our breathing practice. And so in this video, what I want to actually do is just give us some time to do it so that you have a feeling for what it's like to maintain the rhythm of the even breath. So, rest your hands wherever feels comfortable. Come into your comfortable seat. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And then let's begin. Tap your pinky, ring, middle, pointer. Exhale, pointer, middle, ring, pinky. Inhale and exhale. In and out. Keep going. At the end of this round, prepare to slow down. Inhale, tap, 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 tap. Exhale, tap, 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 tap. Inhale, pinky, ring, middle, pointer. Exhale, pointer, middle, ring, pinky. Keep going. Let's slow down one more time. Pinky, middle, pinky, ring, middle, pointer, pointer, middle, ring, pinky. Inhale. Exhale, and keep going. Exhale this last breath out and then pause. Relax your hands and let your breath return to normal. And notice any difference in your mood, your energy, your breath, your body. Right, that's the power that we have. Let your eyes blink open, coming back into the room. Good job. It can be really hard for some of us to sit and be still and to focus, and especially to focus on something as simple as the breath. So if you made it that far, really good job. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this gives you a little kickstart to your own pranayama practice. You can play with the pacing and really make it work for you. Please leave any comments or questions in the field below. I would love to hear from you. You're welcome to come to one of my live supervised online yoga classes for free. There are links in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time.